Stupid Bird Review 22.
This is the house finch.
This is the house finch. You heard me, house finch. This is the house finch. Here's his tag, house finch. Audubon Bird's house finch. He's from the Urban Bird series, which is pretty cool. Here's the back of the tag here. So this one is pretty cool. I really like this one. He was released on April 2nd of 2003. Mine was manufactured in 2005. And overall, it's pretty good condition. Except for his beak looks like it's fabric, but it was actually silver leather, but it all peeled off. And now this just what's under the leather. So he's brown above with a red rump, red face, and red bib here. And his brown eyes. A brown tail with chestnutish brown underneath. The brown wings have buff wing bars. He has a buff stomach. That has a bunch of these brown streaks. This one's in pretty good condition, I'd say. I give this bird an 8 out of 10. Let's see the inside, shall we? Here is Backyard Bird Series 5 and Urban Bird Series. So I have all of these. The house finch that we're reviewing is right up there in the corner. There's Nighthawk. Nighthawk! The Common Grackle, Rock Dove, House Sparrow, and European Starling. Pretty cool bird. I like him.